Hello friends, today we are going to be making salad Olivier, which is known by its name Russian salad as well. We will begin by boiling eggs, potatoes and carrots, and you can do it in one pan. Just remove the eggs before. And everything needs to be pretty soft, like soft. And after it's boiled, after everything is ready, we will begin by peeling the skin of the potatoes and the carrots. And I suggest to do it while it's hot, because it would be much easier. After you peel the potato and the carrots, you can begin cutting everything into small cubes. After you cut the salad, you can dress it, so you can put mayonnaise and yogurt in it, and the spices, so salt, pepper, and whatever you want. And salad olivier is a salad that you can change some ingredients. You have a lot of basically choices and possibilities. It's not a strict salad, so you can use mayo, or you can use sour cream, or you can add yogurt or remove yogurt, and even ingredients like instead of pickles you can use apples, and you can put some nuts into the salad. It's a salad that whatever you imagine you can put or add from the salad, but this is probably more or less classic what I'm showing you. And one suggestion, that after you mixed everything with the dressing, let it stand probably for the night. You can eat it immediately, no problem at all, but I think it would be a bit tastier, a bit more flavorful after a night in the fridge. Enjoy!